This is the tutorial of the MWheel XT motorized electric wheelchair. Let's start with the controls. Before you turn on the MWheel XT wheelchair, make sure both of the red clutches are pushed upwards, enabling the electric mode. The electric mode prevents the wheelchair from moving when being pushed. The user can proceed to sit on the wheelchair. Fasten the seatbelt. Press the power button once to turn on the device. The battery and speed indicator will light up. The MWheel XT has 5 speed adjustments. To increase speed, press the plus button. To decrease speed, press the minus button. To alert pedestrians within your danger zone, press on the horn button. Both the left and the right armrests are able to be flipped up for easier access to the wheelchair from the sides. To flip it up, you will need to click on the white button on each side of the armrest and then lift it up. To power off the MWheel XT, press on the power button again. To allow for assisted pushing of the wheelchair, ensure that the power is off and both the red clutch is pushed downwards, enabling the manual mode. Before charging, make sure the power is off and the power cable is connected. There are 2 modes of charging the MWheel XT wheelchair. The first mode is to connect the charging cable to the socket below the controller. Then switch on the power supply. A blue light indicator will appear on the power brick. The second mode allows users to charge the battery directly. This enables the battery to be charged remotely from the wheelchair. Remove the protective cap from the charging port and connect the charging cable. Then proceed to switch on the power supply. A blue light indicator will appear on the power brick. A full charge will take between 8 to 10 hours. Remove the charger when charging is completed. Take note to not overcharge the device for more than 24 hours. First, loosen the screw under the battery and remove the bolt. Second, unplug the power cable and close the protective cap. You may now lift up the battery using the handle. Pull it out carefully from the back frame tube. To attach the battery, position the battery back in place and ensure that the battery groove aligns with the back frame tube. Next, insert the bolt back in place and tighten it with the screw. Remove the protector cap and reconnect the power cable. To unfold the MWheel XT wheelchair, hold on to the handle and lift it open. Second, push the footplate down. Latch the locking hinge behind the backrest to lock it in place. Lastly, push the backrest slightly to ensure that it is fully opened. For user safety, ensure that the locking hinge is fastened before riding. To fold the MWheel XT wheelchair, unlatch the locking hinge behind the backrest. Push the wheelchair down with the backrest handle. Once folded, hold on to the footplate and seat handle to lift it in an upright position. Balance the wheelchair on the stand. Finally, you may pull the wheelchair by the seat handle to move it around. Before riding, do watch the PMA pre-ride safety video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below or head down to any of our Mobot outlets.